Right, we're here at Nissan, and then this is an Armada, and it has a switch right there that Alex is pushing for the power liftgate.
And
Very fancy. And now when you get in here,
it also
they have buttons. I'll get a real detail. Okay. So that is making the seat power seat. That's amazing, Alex. And then the other one. Okay. And it's now coming up.
yes.
And then the right side. That's fun. This is a huge Nissan.
Is it big?
Yeah. Size of a Suburban. Pretty cool. So then how do you close this lift gate then? Do you push on?
I'll show you.
Okay. How back? That's cool, Alex. Oh, and then there's a button right there. That was pretty cool. That's a big black Armada. Cool.
Nice.
Yep.